The National Electrical Code Section 700.12F specifies that exit signs must be on a dedicated circuit. This means the circuit supplying exit signs should not supply any other equipment or devices with the exception of other exit signs. Now, looking at the NFPA 101, the Life Safety Code, it doesn't have a specific requirement mandating exit signs to be on dedicated circuits. However, it's generally recommended for enhanced safety. Some state codes may have additional regulations concerning the electrical wiring of exit signs. For example, the California Electrical Code of Section 405.12F requires exit signs to be on a dedicated circuit. In summary, according to the National Electrical Code and the California Electrical Code, exit signs must be on a dedicated circuit. While NFPA 101 does not have a specific requirement, it is still considered a best practice for safety reasons. Ensuring exit signs are on a dedicated circuit improves reliability during emergencies. The purpose of emergency lighting, including exit signs, is to provide illumination when normal power fails. A dedicated circuit minimizes the risk of the exit sign circuit being affected by issues on other circuits. This is crucial for guiding occupants to safety during evacuations. Several factors should be considered when designing and installing exit sign circuits. Firstly, compliance with local codes and regulations is paramount. Always consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code, NFPA 101, and any applicable state or local codes to ensure compliance. Secondly, the load calculation for the dedicated circuit must include all connected exit signs. This calculation determines the appropriate size of the circuit breaker and wiring. Thirdly, the wiring method should comply with the National Electrical Code requirements for emergency circuits. Typically, this involves using listed and labeled wiring suitable for the intended application. Fourthly, regular testing and maintenance of exit signs and their dedicated circuits are essential. This includes testing the backup power source, such as batteries or generators, to ensure proper operation during power outages. Fifthly, proper documentation of the exit sign circuits is important for future maintenance and troubleshooting. This includes labeling the circuit breaker and providing a circuit diagram. In addition to the National Electrical Code and NFPA 101, other standards and guidelines may apply to exit sign installations. Firstly, the International Building Code, or IC, contains requirements for exit sign placement and visibility. Secondly, the Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, sets standards for accessible exit signs, including requirements for luminance and contrast. Thirdly, Underwriters Laboratories, or all, standards for exit signs specify performance and safety requirements. Fourthly, local fire codes may have additional requirements for exit sign installations. When selecting exit signs, consider the following factors. Firstly, the visibility of the exit sign from all angles of approach. Secondly, the luminance and contrast of the exit sign to ensure it is easily seen in all lighting conditions. Thirdly, the durability and lifespan of the exit sign. Fourthly, the energy efficiency of the exit sign. Fifthly, the compliance of the exit sign with applicable standards and codes. Exit signs are available in a variety of styles and configurations, including internally illuminated, self-luminous, and photoluminescent. Internally illuminated exit signs use an internal light source, such as light-emitting diodes or LEDs, to illuminate the sign. Self-luminous exit signs use radioactive tritium gas to illuminate the sign. Photoluminescent exit signs absorb ambient light and then emit light when the ambient light is reduced or eliminated. The choice of exit sign type depends on the specific application and requirements. When installing exit signs, follow these guidelines. Firstly, install exit signs at all required locations, as specified by the building code. Secondly, ensure that exit signs are clearly visible and unobstructed. Thirdly, mount exit signs at the proper height, typically 7.5 feet above the floor. Fourthly, connect exit signs to the dedicated circuit as required by the National Electrical Code. Fifthly, test exit signs to ensure proper operation. Common problems with exit signs include burned out lamps, dead batteries, and wiring issues. Regularly inspect exit signs for these problems and take corrective action as needed. Replacing burned-out lamps promptly is important to maintain the visibility of the exit sign. Replacing batteries that are no longer holding a charge is also crucial for ensuring proper operation during power outages. Inspecting the wiring for damage or loose connections can prevent electrical hazards. In conclusion, ensuring exit signs are on a dedicated circuit as per the National Electrical Code is a critical safety measure. While NFPA 101 does not explicitly require it, dedicated circuits are generally recommended for reliability. Always consult local and state codes for additional requirements. Proper installation, maintenance, and testing of exit signs are essential for the safety of building occupants during emergencies.